Hello guys, my name is Richard and I'm gonna make slime today. Let's get to it. Okay. The first ingredient is slime. Glue. I got this at the dollar store. In this one, you don't need like Elmer's glue. You could use whatever kind of glue, but it needs to be liquid. Sorry. You could use however you want, but I'm gonna use 4 just to make a lot. Okay, now you're gonna need some Gain or Tide. No.
Do you need Gain or Tide, or can you use any detergent?
You could use any detergent.
How much do you need?
Oh no. About this much, or at least more. And then now you mix it.
Are these all the ingredients you'll need?
You kind of just need this, but if you want to make it colorful, you could add food color.
What color are you making yours?
I'm making red. That looks way too red. I don't want to say this, but it looks like guts. And if you want to, you could use it with your hand, but I'm gonna mix still.
How long do you need to mix it for?
I have to mix it like, for mine, I have to mix it for like 10 or 15 minutes. I have slime color. Yay. I think it's time to mix with your hands. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Why more? Where did my spoon go? Oh. Okay. For now, they don't. Oh no, that's not on the table.
1 hour later.
You're adding detergent until it looks like what? Slime?
If it sticks onto the spoon, I think like it's ready. But I'm still adding some just so it gets more ready.
Is it safe to eat?
No.
Have you tried it?
No.
Okay, how do you know it's not safe?
Because it's glue and detergent.
Oh, they're smart.
Because I think it's ready. And it's not. Sorry.
Can you mix colors?
You could have like the colors, or you could mix them to make another color, like yellow and blue.
What does that mean?
Green. It just feels slime. That's why they call it slime. This could be stretchy sometimes. Sometimes they will just be sticky. So if it doesn't work for you the first time, you could try it. So now you could play with it all day or for some minutes. And when you're bored, you could do something else. Some people could make like bubbles. I don't think I can. They go like this. And like, no, but sometimes it's like it's not stretchy enough that I can't make one. Like this one, it is not stretchy enough. It smells like just like detergent
Why is that?
because we put in detergent. So guys, that's how you make slime. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and see you guys later. Bye. And the thumbs up and what?